Right in the heart of Boracay, where everything is just a few steps away, we found a hotel that perfectly balanced convenience, comfort, and value. Today, we're staying at the Tides Hotel Boracay. From the busy streets of D'Mall, step inside and the vibe instantly changes. Calm, modern, and welcoming. Check-in was smooth and organized. Just a quick tip, make sure every guest brings a valid ID as it's required upon arrival. And right away, they greet you with a refreshing welcome drink. Simple, but after the Boracay heat, it hits differently. Our bags were assisted to the room, giving us that hotel experience you always appreciate after a long trip. And this is what greeted us. Clean, spacious, and perfect for relaxing after a day at the beach. We got 2 large beds, ideal for families or groups. In between, you've got the essentials, lamp, phone, and controls for both the aircon and TV. They provide complimentary coffee and tea. And for water, there's a dispenser just outside in the corridor. Easy access anytime. If you're planning to relax even more, they also offer in-house massage services. Perfect after a long day exploring the island. One thing we really like is the layout. The sink is outside the bathroom and the toilet is separate. So no waiting. You can get ready while someone else is showering. The bathroom itself is clean and complete with toiletries. Water pressure is strong and hot water is always available. They've got a closet with hangers, a safety box, and even a big umbrella. Super useful whether it's raining or the sun is too intense. Laundry services are also available, which is a big plus if you're staying longer. And this is small detail, a red rose with a welcome letter, makes the stay feel just a little more special. The TV isn't a smart TV, so don't expect Netflix here. But you do get a refrigerator for your drinks and snacks. Need to look sharp? You can request a flat iron, perfect for events or dinners. They also offer plated breakfast with unlimited brewed coffee. A great way to start your day without leaving the hotel. The hotel keeps a clean and modern look throughout, from the rooms to the common areas. For fitness lovers, there's a fully equipped gym. And yes, that punching bag definitely stands out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
And of course, the pool area. Perfect for relaxing if you want a break from the beach crowd. So, is the Tides Hotel Boracay worth it? If you're looking for a hotel that's right in the center of everything, with clean rooms, smart layout, and solid amenities, this is definitely a great choice. If this video helped you plan your Boracay trip, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next adventure.